Yeah, how's it going? Mr. Warvet Rook here, another install video. I managed to actually fit my Jeep in my garage. Took quite a bit of finesse and uh, had to move the garage door up some, but now I got the Jeep in my garage, so I went out and bought me a space heater and stuff. I've been dying to get these headlights and fog lights in from Supri. Uh, I'm having trouble finding information on where to hook up the lights on the fuse box. I know a lot of people say number 52, but the thing of it is I can only hook up one set to one. So I'm trying to find a second fuse to hook to for the fog lights. So if I hook the headlights up to the fuse, the cigar thing, obviously I can't hook up the fog lights to it at the same time. The way they got these splice wires. So we have to do some more research and try and figure out where I'm put the second hot wire from the fuse box at. Um, all right, so basically we're just going to take these top plastic things out, and then the grill should pop off. I think what I'm going to do first is do the headlights first and get those all wired up before I even touch the fog lights. That way I can get, at least I know where that fuse it goes and stuff, and we'll get those hooked up, and then we'll just see where to go after that. See if I can't find another fuse for the fog lights. Do a little bit more research because right now I'm not seeing where you hook up to, and you can't hook up to the same fuse. So, and that's kind of the issue where I'm at. But I'm gonna go ahead and get the headlights because I can at least get this done um, and still be able to use my Jeep. So, and of course it started raining. This is without the headlights on.